How to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. Hey guys, welcome back and let's get started by launching Facebook application on your mobile device. And then you'll see a 3-bar icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then again, you'll see a gear-like icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Now scroll below and you'll find blocking. Tap on it. And then you'll find the list of people that you have blocked on Facebook. Let's say you accidentally block someone on Facebook you don't want to. And again, if you try to block that person, the Facebook will tell you to wait for 48 hours. But here's what you can do. Let's go back and select a random person. Here you'll see report profile. Click on it. You can always report a profile at the Facebook. If you happen to report your profile, the Facebook will block their profile, their post from your feed. Now go ahead and select any of them. And then you can just click on done. The other step I can take is block their profile from my feed. So the trick here is that you can always report their profile to hide their post from your feed. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.